Hello everyone, this is Ring, ACEBOTT CEO. Today I will briefly introduce our ACEBOTT to you. This is our IP Lumi. This is our smart robot car. This is our smart home and the smartphone and the education solutions series. And this is our technician, engineer, and this is one of our meeting room. This is my office. Next, let's go to the purchase department and the design department. Our Lumi again, our another meeting room, and we shifting the products here. This is our purchase department, and this is our designer department. Now, let's go to the another office room. This is our warehouse. Let's check one by one. This is one of the warehouse. Hello, this is our handicraft room. Some of the stock here. This is our documentary room. Hello. This is our assembly room. Here we make a kit assemble here. And here we are doing the package with the heat shrink. And here are some part of stock ready to ship. Okay, let's go to another room. This is a package room. Many goods are ready to ship. And the third warehouse. Here we incoming the material area. We receive the goods here. And this is also the material prepare area and assembly area. Here. Let's go to the sales. This is our happy moment team building. This is some customer photo. And this is our third meeting room. Our third showroom. And this is our sales department and our operation department and our finance department and assistant. So this is some about ACEBOTT. Let's explore and see you next time. Bye bye.